Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my investment journey today with almost no money at all. The truth is, investing isn't just for the wealthy or the financially savvy. Anyone can start investing today, regardless of how much money they have. In fact, the earlier you start, the better. So what's holding you back from taking the first step? Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing. They believe it's only for those with a fat wallet or a trust fund, but that's just not true. The biggest barrier to investing is often our own misconceptions and fears. We think we're not smart enough, or that we don't have enough money, or that it's too complicated. But the truth is, investing is for everyone, regardless of your financial situation. Another common misconception is that you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But in reality, you can start investing with as little as $10 or $20. The key is to start small and be consistent. It's not about how much you have. It's about making progress and taking the first step. So why do we let these misconceptions hold us back from taking control of our financial future? So what's the real reason people don't start investing? It's fear. We're afraid of losing money, or we're afraid of not knowing what we're doing. But the truth is, investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small and learn as you go. You don't have to be an expert to get started. You just have to be willing to take the first step. One of the most exciting things about investing today is that there are so many low-cost options available. You can start investing in fractional shares, which allows you to buy a small piece of a stock or ETF. You can also use robo-advisors, which are automated investment platforms that do the hard work for you. And with ETFs, you can diversify your portfolio with just a few dollars. Let's talk about fractional shares. These are a great way to invest in the companies you love, even if you can't afford a full share. For example, if you want to invest in Amazon, but the stock price is too high, you can buy a fractional share. This way you can still own a piece of the company, even if you can't afford a full share. Robo-advisors are another low-cost option that's perfect for beginners. These platforms use AI to manage your investments, so you don't have to worry about picking stocks or managing your portfolio. They're often very low cost, and you can start investing with just a few dollars. And the best part is, they're completely passive, so you can set it and forget it. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are another great option for beginners. These are like mini portfolios that track a particular market or sector. They're often very low cost, and you can diversify your portfolio with just a few dollars. For example, you can invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which gives you exposure to the top 500 companies in the US. I want to share a success story that inspires me every time I think about it. A friend of mine started investing just a few years ago with only $100. They invested consistently every month, and today they have a portfolio worth over $10,000. It's amazing to see how small, consistent investments can add up over time. The point is, it's not about how much money you have. It's about starting small and being consistent. Anyone can do it, regardless of their financial situation. And the best part is, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. In summary, starting to invest today can lead to significant long-term benefits. It's not about how much money you have. It's about taking the first step and being consistent. Don't let fear or misconceptions hold you back from taking control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments about your investing journey. Have you started investing yet? What's holding you back from taking the first step? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. And don't forget to watch my next video for more tips on personal finance.